Evolution is dead, that is, naturalistic mega-evolution is dead, we provide quotes from scientists who, as far as we know, do believe in evolution. However, they confirm that Neo-Darwinism is dead. This means that all naturalistic mega-evolution is dead. That is because if we remove random chance and natural selection, the core of Neo-Darwinism, there is no remaining naturalistic mechanism that can even remotely cause mega-evolution, the atheist myth of single-cell to human evolution, by random chance and natural law. As we have shown in several videos, random chance and natural selection work for micro-evolution, adaptation of a species inside a genus or family. But nothing more. Scientist quote, "At that meeting, Francisco Ayala agreed with me when I stated that this doctrinaire Neo-Darwinism is dead. He was a practitioner of Neo-Darwinism, but advances in molecular genetics, evolution, ecology, biochemistry, and other news had led him to agree that Neo-Darwinism's now dead." Dr. Lynn Margulis, evolutionary biologist, U.S. National Academy of Sciences. Quote, "I have been reluctant to admit it, but if Mayer's characterization of the synthetic theory is accurate, then that theory, as a general proposition, is effectively dead despite its persistence as textbook orthodoxy." Dr. Stephen Jay Gould, paleontologist, Harvard University. Quote, "In fact, an appreciable number of perfectly reasonable biologists are coming to think that theory of natural selection can no longer be taken for granted. The ironic upshot is that at a time when the theory of natural selection has become an article of pop culture, it is faced with what may be the most serious challenge it has had so far. Darwinists have been known to say that adaptationism is the best idea that anybody has ever had. It would be a good joke if the best idea that anybody has ever had turned out not to be true. A lot of the history of science consists of the world playing that sort of joke on our most cherished theories." Dr. Jerry Fodor, professor of philosophy, Rutgers University, Why Pigs Don't Have Wings, London Review of Books. Quote, "We can see that the import of the Darwinian theory of evolution is just unexplainable caprice from top to bottom." Dr. Stanley Saithe, PhD in zoology, Columbia University. Quote, "Darwin's idea is still perfectly reasonable in the abstract, but concretely, he is overwhelmed by numbers he couldn't possibly have foreseen, the ridiculously large number of amino acid chains relative to number of useful proteins. Those numbers transcend the details of any particular set of estimates. Neo-Darwinism says that nature simply rolls the dice, and if something useful emerges, great. Otherwise, try again. But useful sequences are so gigantically rare that this answer simply won't work." Dr. David Gelernter, Yale University, Giving Up Darwin. Conclusion 1. A growing number of scientists are coming to realize that Neo-Darwinism is dead. That is, it does not work for any level above micro-evolution. It does not work for naturalistic mega-evolution, the atheist myth of single-cell to human evolution by random chance and natural law. This means that all naturalistic mega-evolution is dead. That is because if we remove random chance and natural selection, the core of Neo-Darwinism, there is no remaining naturalistic mechanism that can even remotely cause mega-evolution, the atheist myth of single-cell to human evolution by random chance and natural law. Thanks to Long Story Short for the quotes above. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.